Hello students, all fine? I hope you have done notice 1 and 2 of event type. Children, please tally these two notices from the answers of the notice that has been uploaded. Make sure that format is correct and note down the exact answer. You are requested to maintain your notebooks very neatly. Okay, dear children? Let's revise the format of notice writing. First of all, we write the name of organization or institution or office in capital letter. Then, after leaving a line, write the word notice in capitals. Again, leave a line and put date. After leaving a line, write heading in capitals, that is the main subject matter. Then is the main part of the notice, that is the content part, where you provide the basic details. Then you will give your signature here, then name in capital letter, then designation is written in bracket, and this is the name of the person who is writing the notice. If your name is not given, you will not write your own name, you will write it as ABC or PQR. Okay, dear children? And children, don't forget to put this notice in a box. Let us start with the second category of notice writing, that is of tour, camp, fair or exhibition. Children, these are the following value points that you can add in your notice writing. The first one is the name of the organizer, if any. For example, school is organizing or any institution is organizing. Second, name or nature of activity, means it is a camp or it is any fair. What is it? Occasion means what is the occasion, on what occasion this notice has been drafted. Next, venue means place. Next is objective means main purpose, what information you want to give, what awareness you want to give, what appeal you want to make, or you want to give any invitation. The next is date or timing of the tour or camp or fair. Next is expenditure, charges, entry fee. For example, if tour is there, what are the charges for your tour? What are the charges for exhibition? What are the charges for fair? The next is beginning or conclusion. That is not mandatory. If you want to write, you can give any beginning or conclusion. Is place or destination of a trip or tour. The next point is duration, means from what date to what date, or what is the duration of time period. The next one is contact address, that means to whom you have to contact for more information. And the last one, that is the specific instruction, for example, do's or don'ts or visiting hours that are to be specified in the notice. You can pause here on your screen and note down these value points. These are very important to learn. Read it thoroughly and then only you can attempt your notice writing of tour, camp or exhibition. Okay, dear children? There is a sample question for you. Let us understand the question first. Apex Adventure and Inner Line Treks and Travels is organizing a 5-day trekking expedition for the students of class 8th of your school. You are Revati, secretary of Adventure Club of your school. Draft a notice for the notice board announcing the expedition and inviting the students to join it. Include relevant details like charges, parents' consent letter, and last date of submitting the names. Now children, who is the organizer in this question? The organizer is Apex Adventure and Inner Line. What is the activity that is being organized? The name of the activity is 5-day trekking expedition. For whom it is organized? It is organized for the students of class 8th. Then, what is the duration? You will specify the duration. For example, you will give 2 or 3 dates. That is the particular duration of the activity. You will give the fees and write about the parents' consent letter. Let us write this notice. Children, in this, name of the school is not given. So we are writing ABC School and XYZ City in capitals. Leave a line, then write the word notice in capital. On the left side of your page, write today's date. After that, you will give the suitable heading. Here our heading can be Trekking Expedition and write it in capital letters. Now, we'll write Apex Adventure and Inner Line Treks and Travels is organizing. This is the name of the organizer. Is organizing a 5-day trekking expedition at Mussoorie. What is the place? Destination? Destination is Mussoorie. For the students of class 8. For whom it is organized? It is organized for the students of class 8. From 1st to 5 June. Interested students must deposit rupees 5,000. Now you will mention the fees also, how much they have to deposit. They have to deposit rupees 5,000. That is very important to write along with the parents' consent letter. Means parents' consent should also be there. With their respective class teachers. To whom they have to submit the amount? They have to submit the amount to their class teacher and by 20th May. What is the last date to submit? The last date to submit is 20th May. Children, remember we will mention the important points like name of the organizer, name of the activity, for whom it is organized, what is the place, what is the destination, what is the amount, to whom you have to submit the amount, and what is the last date to submit the amount. At the end, sign yourself as Revati because Revati was the name given in the question itself. Write the name of Revati in capital letters. Then write designation at the last, that is Secretary, Adventure Club. Children, remember secretary S should be capital. Most of you write the secretary spellings wrong. Learn it. It is secretary. SCCRETARY. It is not. It's SECRETORY. It is TARY. Adventure Club. Write it in bracket. Put your notice in box. Understood, children? Children, once again let us revise how we have to write a notice. First, select which category the notice belongs to. It is of event or it is of trip, it is of tour. Then list the value points to be included. You must remember the value points that I have taught you and then you can add the suitable ones. Before writing it, always prepare a rough draft first. That would be very helpful for you. Check your grammar and the style of language. Ensure that word limit has been observed. Your word limit is 50 words for notice writing. Revise it, prepare the final draft and put the notice in your box. Children, I hope notice writing is clear to you. In our first term, we are having these two categories of notice only. Practice notice writing and solve the given assignments also. Okay, children? That's all for today. Thank you, children.